Hi everyone, so the technology I chose to explore is called KidBlog, and this is kind of the home page, but if you go to settings, it shows you as the teacher what you can change in the settings and the privacy and the themes and the categories and the connections. Right here for student accounts is where the teacher will upload all of her students so that they are able to have a chance to post on the blog. Another big thing about KidBlog is the privacy settings. So this is for the teacher to put who can see the post. So for example, when a student posts their blog, they can choose to have only the teacher to see it, or they can choose to have class members or connections and guests to see it. And as you can see for connections and guests, if the student chooses this, the teacher has to approve it before it will be posted. And since I made the public not an option, the students will not be able to post for the public to see. And then down here, it's the same thing except for the comments. Who is able to comment on the student's post? So they can allow the teacher, the class members, or connections and guests. Next is the categories. So as the teacher, I went ahead and just put some random categories in here. So math, science, and social studies. And whenever students post their blog, they are able to choose that category so that their blogs are separated into the different categories. Okay, so if you click back on the home page and then you click the K again, you can see it brings you up to this page. And right here in the corner is just different settings to allow you how you want to see the post. So it's kind of in a list here, and then you can see the actual picture and the name of it, and then it's in kind of a little square. So whenever they go to post, you just click New Post, and the students are able to add a header image. And when they do this, they can add images that are already on here. They can choose from the images they have on their computer. They can take a picture, whatever they choose to do. And then they'll post their title, and then they'll write their blog. And then down here they can choose their background color, texture, font, and tags. And then right here in categories, if it's like a science blog or a math blog, they'll choose whichever category it fits with. And then if they're not finished with their post, they can just choose to draft it. That means they can come back at any time and continue to work on it. And if they are finished, they can post review, and this will allow the teacher to know that it's time for her to review the post. And after she has reviewed the post, she's able to publish it. So that's just a little bit about KidBlog. I hope that you guys will use it in your classrooms this year.